Monticello Public Schools nature-based education program offers the opportunity for students in preschool, kindergarten, second grade, and fourth grade to be immersed daily in an outdoor setting.
My favorite part so far was in second and third grade. We had a very, very big space and lots of nature to run around in and stuff.
Learning with natural materials to achieve the same outcomes as a traditional Monticello classroom.
What I also think is awesome is that we're able to take nature-themed concepts and incorporate them into their regular academic days.
Led by amazing teachers and housed at the stunning Bertram Chain of Lakes Regional Park, Monticello's nature-based program gives new meaning to the phrase active learning.
That we can be out in the nature all day and we can learn outside. I like nature.
Students learn with natural materials to achieve the same outcomes as a traditional Monticello classroom.
I think learning outdoors allows a lot of students to get those wiggles out that they have, and they aren't stuck to a desk and to a chair. It allows for really natural, flexible seating, and like I said earlier, with those natural breaks, if we do reading in one area, we can get up and walk to another area to do some learning there. And just the fresh air that the students get, I think, is wonderful for them.
This program furthers Monticello School District's goal to provide meaningful, diverse educational opportunities for every kid, every day.